It's been more than 4 years since Norwood Hospital had this heavy flood damage, and you see the video because it was caught on camera at that time, and the hospital has been closed ever since. Then there were plans to rebuild the hospital, but we've learned that's changed.
Yeah, this is all because of the bankruptcy of Steward Health Care. So this will be just the latest Steward Hospital to close because of its financial problems. ABC 10's Malcolm Johnson live in Norwood with reaction. Malcolm?
Well, Corey, you just saw some of that video, and we showed it on air to our viewers. This is the hospital as it is currently being rebuilt here in Norwood. Steward Health Care, they used to operate it, but because of that bankruptcy that you all mentioned, they are no longer the operators. So the town and its current owners are looking for a new operator to run the hospital.
When I got pregnant, it would have been nice to have a hospital here to give birth. Anyone from this area is born in Norwood.
Stacy Kazanik wasn't able to give birth to her son Benji in Norwood.
When's that going to be done?
And Ashley DeCruz wonders if she has more kids, where she would go.
I had both my boys at Norwood Hospital. If I was going to have another kid, I'd have to go into the city.
After flooding ruined Norwood's hospital back in 2020, the community of more than 250,000 people remains in need.
We used to travel about a mile to the hospital and then a mile back to the fire station, and now we're routinely going into Needham, into Wellesley, and into Boston.
Rebuilding Norwood's hospital was halted by the bankruptcy of its owner, Steward Health Care, which will no longer operate the facility or 4 of its local outpatient associates.
We need them out of the state because they have been absolutely irresponsible. Norwood is one where the community really needs this hospital, needs the investment that should have been made in it.
An investment the town is optimistic new owners will provide proper care.
The hospital was profitable before it closed, and given the region that it serves, and it only closed as a result of the flood, we're confident they're going to have a tenant or perhaps a new owner-operator that wants to go into the space.
That is the hope here, Corey, but this is really a transitionary period for a lot of those patients out there, especially the ones who had been treated at those 4 outpatient clinics. So for those wondering what they can do moving forward, now that Steward is no longer going to be operating the hospital, well, local officials say they should be reaching out to their providers. We're live tonight reporting in Norwood. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.